So welcome guys to Rising Coders era, and inside this we are going to go on this. You have to click this mingw.org. We are going to download the C++ files which are required. So we are going to go on SourceForge mingw minimalization. So you have to click here and just click on the download. So it is going to download you in just some time. The file is going to be downloaded. Okay, so just see this. So this is the executable file, show in folder. Okay, and I'm going to double click on this, close this. I want to install this, so just click on continue. So it is going to start some downloading here. Okay, here we are going to click on mingw32 base and mark for installation, and mingw. Okay, we are going to go with mingw32 GCC G+, and just click on mark as an installation and click on installation and click on apply changes, apply. So it is going to start downloading the files. Okay, so after installing all the files, it is going to extract all the so it is going to extract all the files here. Okay, and after extracting, just close it and close this as well. Now if we refresh one more time and go inside the folder, and we go inside the C drive. Okay, so inside the C drive we will find the folder mingw. So it is 232 MB, and here if I am going to see inside the mingw, you can see there are some bin files, and you can go inside the bin and you can see here C++, GCC, G++ compilers which are required. So G++ compiler is used for work with C programming, and GCC compiler is being used for working with C. Okay, C language. So we are going to just click here and copy all the path and close this, refresh, and search for edit system environment, edit the system environment. And when you are going to go inside edit the system environment, I am going to click on go inside the advanced. Okay, go inside the advanced and then click on edit environment. So I am going to click new, and just I am going to write path path, and here I am going to paste the path. Okay, and okay, so that is here, and just click on OK. You will get OK option at your bottom. Here it is not, and just click OK again and just go inside the CMD terminal and okay, search for terminal, go here and search for CMD, click on CMD and go for G++ -- version and enter. So it is not recognizable, so I think the path is not been connected. Again I am going to go inside the system, edit system environment, edit the system environment and environmental variables, and here what I am going to do is just delete this. First of all, I don't want this path. I am going to create new path, so just path, and I am going to paste the value which we copied, and just you have to click on OK. Okay, at your bottom you will get the option OK, and again click on OK. Go inside CMD G++ space G++ space -- version and enter. So this is the version which has been installed, and GCC space -- version. So we have installed this version. So we have installed the C++ and C as well. Now just we are going to create here one file. Suppose I have created here one file rcecpp. So writing code.step. Just I am going to click and open with code, and we are going to code it, and let's see is it going to run or not. Okay, it will run. We are going to run our first code inside it. So here is the Visual Studio Code opening. It's taking a time. Okay, so here what we are going to do, it is loading. Okay, just I'm going to click one file and create one file. So we are okay, print, just I'm going to give it name as print dot. So as we are going to create C++ file, so I'm going to write cpp. Okay, C++, that means cpp. Now here, first of all, you should have to download some extensions for C++, and you can download them from here. And right now I'm going to just write hashtag include iostream, and then using namespace std, and then int main. Inside the rounded bracket I'm going to just write cout hello world. Okay, and then I'm going to just return 0. Okay, return 0 and just save it. And now we are going to run it through terminal, new terminal. And when you are going to run the C++ files, okay, so as you know, the compiler name is G++, so we are going to write G++ space the file name print dot cpp and then enter. So here is some errors, return 0, before return 0. Okay, so we have to give this semicolon is missing. You can see here we have to give here semicolon, and just save it. And again, okay, this is our code. And right now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to press A, and then I'm going to press the tab button. So it is going to create an executable file, and just I'm going to click on enter. So the program is been executed. Okay, this is all about the C++. Now we are going to create another file with same print, and just we are going to go with C. We want to code with C language. Okay, so here, so we are going to print this hello world program inside this C language. So as you have to know, we are going to go with hashtag include stdio.h or stdio. You can go with standard input output. It is called a standard input output. Int main, and int main I'm going to write printf. So inside this we write the printf, and just I'm going to write here hello world, world, and inside the, okay, let it be here, and hello world, and then again I am going to write return 0. Okay, I'm going to write return 0. So let's see now what we are going to write here. gcc space, what is the file, print.c, and then enter. So here is some problems, stdio. So we want .h also, that is the header file. Let's check it again and just execute it. So here again a tab we are going to create, and then enter. Now when you are going to write the a tab, here the file is going to create a.exe, and it is going to execute. Now what we did inside this program and this C++ program, just I am going to explain it. So you can see here. So this is called as the header file. Header file is nothing but inside this file there are all the functions been written. Suppose I am talking about the int main function. This function is going to be written inside this file, and not just this function, more functions are going to be written like cout. Now iostream stands for input output stream. Okay, iostream stands for, I'm going to explain in upcoming videos, but for right now iostream stands for input output. And you can see cout. So this is output, you are going to output. You can take input as well. So suppose I'm going to write here cin, and I'm going to take some value from a, and just I'm going to paste the value that a. Okay, so just I'm going to click on terminal, new terminal, and the terminal is going to open. So this is all the things, and return 0, you are going to return some value to this function. So here, what is the file name, g++ print. Okay, and okay, cout and cin. So what is problem with this? A was not declared. Okay, so before this we have to declare the a, and a will be integer, and a tab again, enter. and I'm going to enter one value, suppose 20, so it is going to print 20. That means I have entered the 20. So we can create here one string that you entered okay, Control X, Control V, space, I'm going to minimize this, save it. And if now I'm going to just write 30 and enter, so you enter 30, it should show me that you enter 30. Okay. So what we are going to write, we are going to write again G++, and then we are going to again create an executable file by A tab, and now it is going to tell me to enter some value. I'm going to enter, so you enter 30. Okay, we are going to know more concepts in upcoming videos. For just now you have to work with this, and if your code is being worked, then you have run your first C and C++ files. Okay, so inside this C language we log to the console using printf function. Okay, so this is the printf function and returns your same. So inside this file, this is the header file, standard input output is called as, and here this file is called as input output step. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys.